welcome back to another video. Today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to a movie. Today on Sunday we're gonna go to a movie that is a Hindi movie. So going to the movie is something different, and taking water and food inside the movie theater is something we're gonna do it today. First thing first is I'm gonna sneak in this water bottle to the theater. It's not actually me sneaking food inside the theater. It's something like I'm not used to the outside water, so I wanted to take this water bottle, which is a steel water bottle. I am not sure if this water bottle is gonna fall in between of the theater, in between of the movie. How annoying sound will it come, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take that water bottle. And the next highlight part is me sneaking in this box which has a DMart popcorn in it, and I just add a little bit of salt and popcorn in it. I don't know how far they're gonna allow it. First thing is we're gonna sneak in the water bottle and the box. Not sure how far they're gonna allow it or not, but we are gonna take this water bottle and the box of popcorn into the theater. So I got ready and I wore my glasses on, and we're gonna go out. I know there are dogs barking outside. It's cloudy right now. I'm not sure we're gonna make it to the theater or not. I've literally booked our tickets online, and I'm not sure if we're gonna cancel it, we're gonna get entire refund or not, but we are making an attempt to go to the movie. So I got ready and I kept some glasses on, and I kept some mehendi because my brother got married and I was the sister-in-law, so I kept mehendi, and I'm excited to go to the movie theater. And it's been a long while, like more than 8 years I haven't went to the movie theater, and this is a long gap, and that too with an adventurous thing is something a big deal for me. So I got ready and I'm like literally tensed right now, that since, oh my god, there's a vehicle in front. How am I gonna remove my vehicle now if this is gonna, how they park it? So I'm like literally tensed right now. Me going to the movie is itself an adventurous thing, and the second thing is me going alone to the movie is very more adventurous thing, and the third more adventurous thing is something me sneaking in water bottle and all the popcorn stuff into the theater is the third most adventurous thing. And right now I'm stressing, and like I'm supposed to reach to the theater in 30 minutes. I mean the movie is gonna start in 30 minutes and I'm still at the home right now 3:53. The movie is gonna start at around 4:30. So the movie which I'm gonna go is Chhaava movie. I know it is an old movie, but I wanted to go, so I'm going. Like I got inspired with the trailer and everything. I know it came in the OTT, but still I am willing to go to the theater and watch it on my own. So these are the adventurous things which I'm gonna go and do and watch the movie. I don't know when the movie is gonna end, but I'm still at home. So I'm gonna go up again and pick up my helmet, and again I'm gonna go. I have been preparing for past 1 hour, and see, these are the last minute consequences I face. So I just returned back again because I just forgot my helmet, and I had to return back. I've been preparing, getting ready for past 1 hour, and I forgot my helmet, and I returned back to pick my helmet. I'm using a tripod, and people are able to see me. The roads are empty. So I don't know how far they're gonna check my my bag and everything. But the thing is, I have literally covered it in my scarf. I mean the popcorn box, whichever is there, I have covered it in the scarf box, and then I will be sneaking into the theater. So just to make you guys see what did I do. This is the scarf which I'm gonna sneak in to the theater, and there is a box in it, like if you could see. Yeah, this is the box which has popcorn in it, and I'm gonna carry my scarf like this just to check what they're gonna do. And yeah, we are going to the theater right now. Just to keep ourselves reminded, we need to remember that we are at basement 1 I could feel my water bottle is moving and all the liquid stuff which is moving in from my water bottle. So I'm like totally excited and we're going to be going to the movie Chava. I know it was like a little bit of patriotic and I'm a little bit excited to watch the movie. Oh my god. Now the real stress is how am I going to hide my water bottle and my popcorn in this is really stressing me out. Guess the movie which I'm going. Telugulo emundi Arjun ki Vaijayanti. Arjun son. Oh sorry. Arjun son of Vaijayanti. Who is the hero? I don't know. Anyways, manam. Oh my freaking god. I actually came to the movie theater and we have made it. I have literally bought a popcorn and a steel water bottle in my bag and like she didn't even check my scarf whichever I'm having it in my scarf. So this is how we're gonna sneak stuff in. So they said that I'm supposed to go to screen 5, which is this one. Screen 5, where's the entrance? So we have finally made it. And this is the screen 5. I came 10-20 minutes early. I have started from my home. At around 3:53 p.m. and I reached here at 4:10. I think it is very near, or maybe I came early. I was driving fastly just to reach here on time, and just to notice that the previous screen movie hasn't completed yet, and 4:30. So they kept a notification here. Kindly wait while we clean and sanitize the auditorium. Oh, I'm so excited. Me alone going to the theater. Okay, excited. Me sneaking things into the theater is another excitement thing. And me going to the theater after 8 or 5 years is another exciting thing. So yeah. There's few mirrors in front of me and it looks like it's a reflection, and we are here, like if you could see. Yeah. So that's a kind of reflection where people are assuming that's a entry or something like that, and people are getting into that whatever reflection is there. People are assuming that it's a door, and they are getting in, they are knocking in, and they are hitting their head towards that mirror. But in fact, it's actually a mirror, not a door. The movie is gonna start at 4:30, and I'm here at 4:22. So that's something making me wait. I'm supposed to call my mother and inform that I came early. She'll be assuming that I came very fastly, because I know that's around like 5-10 kilometers away. Not 10, 5 to 8 kilometers away, I guess. With the light here, I look fair. So I have checked the rates over here, and there are like literally sweet corn 220, snacks samosa 160, and hot dog and what not things. Can you guys even imagine samosa at 160? No matter how rich we become, we are not gonna buy popcorn from theaters. Like seriously, I can't even imagine samosa for 160 rupees. That's the reason I bought it. That's the reason I bought an popcorn D-Mart. That too, made it at home. I added some salt on it, and I have packed it on my Tupperware. That was ridiculous. Packing popcorn in a Tupperware box and adding a little bit of salt in it just for time pass. I actually had a belly full meals for lunch. Like I had chicken, I I had chicken and I had mutton. Since it is Sunday, it's anyhow we are gonna have all this kind of stuff. I had every non-veg item today. My stomach is full, but still, since we're gonna sneak in the popcorn into the theater, yes, I don't really have an obsession to have the popcorn into the theater, but just an adventure I wanna do. And the ultimate thing is, while me booking my movie tickets now, I was like scared to book because I alone am going to the theater. It's something I never went to a movie theater. First thing, alone, another thing. Sneaking in is another adventurous thing. So that's why I was like literally scared to book these tickets, and then I checked whether the movie tickets has been booked or not. And then later on I was awaiting if everybody are going to the theater watching that movie or not, because I did check that the movie has been released in OTT also, but still somehow I wanted to watch this movie in theater. So I have booked the theater. The tickets costed me around like 130 rupees. And it was the entire theater rows were empty while I was booking, because maybe it got old, and people are even surprised that the movie is still playing in theaters. So first thing is I was scared to go or book the tickets into this theater. Second thing is somehow I managed. I checked everyone are going. Today I have checked it that the theater's half of the row on the top has been booked. And now somehow I checked it, and now I checked it that the top row, whichever is there, it got booked, and thank God I'm not alone. And the second thing I'm happy for is that the theater which I've booked and the movie which I booked for, thank God they all are family. With the family they have come. Otherwise I would have to watch all the chapris, whatnot people into the theaters doing rubbish. So finally they have opened the doors for this, and I'm gonna get in. Yay. First thing first, I have finally made it to the theater. I know it's dark, you cannot see my face. Wait, yeah. Where's
बिना मिडिलमैन के
फायदे में हो गए तो फायदे में हो गए।
डाउनलोड द कंट्री डिलाइट ऐप नाउ।
रुखसत हो गया है।
I have completed the movie. Right now it's 7:38 p.m. right now. The movie was good. I felt patriotic towards my own religion for being a Hindu, first of all. Second, it comes and it is related to Marathas and everything. But still, being a Hindu, I felt proud. I felt patriotic watching that movie. I know the movie is old, but still I liked it. I wanted to go alone. I went alone. I watched the movie alone. All alone I came to the movie theater, and it was a good experience, I could say. Like, no one to bother, nobody to ask, nobody to disturb in between of the movie. It was good. This is my first time me experiencing a movie, like watching movie all alone. It was a good experience for me, I could say it as. I'm still awaiting at the lift, and it is still taking time, and that's an Inox. I know I'm using a tripod. That's an Inox over there, and I'm still waiting. This is 6th floor, and I don't see any cameras. Damn. See, I'm right. Okay, here it is. I don't think it is working or not. Right. Nobody is here. I'm all alone. Nobody is here. I'm all alone over here, and I don't see any cameras. Nobody standing over like nearby anyone. it's a bit scary moment, and don't even see any cameras also. Like what and where is the nation going? Yeah, the lift came.
Going down.
Came back to the parking area, and now the real question is, while I am parking, I was vlogging and I forgot where the heck did I even park. God, I'm like totally lost. Where am I even supposed to go? That was a mall entry and I saw lifts over there. So maybe there, from there till right. So somewhere over there we are supposed to check it. So the thing is, while I was coming, I saw the lifts over right here. It is so scary. So yeah, finally I found my vehicle and I came out. I was like a little bit stressed there because the people gathering and everything, they were leaving. So I was stressing myself. Finally I got to know that where I came from, and I know like from the lift, and I took right somewhere around like that, and then yeah, I finally somehow found out my vehicle is there, and I got into my vehicle and I am about to leave, which is there, and I came on my own vehicle, so I'll be traveling back to home. That was a good experience for me going alone to the movie and everything all alone. It was a good experience. I liked it. Nobody to disturb my peace. That was the main thing I was focusing on. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. If not, it's up to you guys. I'm not forcing anybody to like. I'm just insisting, and forcing is different. So yeah, that's it for the day.